Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's the day I'm going to start on my patio again. And if you want to see how it turns out, because I think it's going to kill me doing this, I've been struggling. What I thought would take me a couple of weeks, this is going to probably end up taking me a couple more months. But I'll get it done. I'll keep going guys. Yeah, I'd like a few comments if you've got any guys, if I'm doing it wrong or right, because I'm just making it up as I go along really. I've made life difficult for myself. Ish. But as you can see, I've got my work cut out. Oh yes. So I'm going to be starting over here. Doesn't matter what I do, where I put it, it's in the way. Everything is in the way. And today I want to be installing the, not installing, I want to dig the ground out so it's be ready for my eco drains. So I'm just going to get on with it, I suppose. I reckon I'm probably going to end up filling up about 100 bags of rubble here. Let's see how many I end up doing. I've had past experience on this. Wait. Where you going? Why did you start here with me? Eh? Because what I've done, I've put these bricks in, I've haunched it. I've haunched the cement up, and now it's in my way. So I need to knock out this cement. I don't know whether to angle grind it or kango it out. I've only got a little small SDS drill. But we shall see. It doesn't look that too difficult. But my first job is to clear this channel here guys. And then I've got to dig all this up, go down about a foot. Loads of hardcore. Dig trenches for my ecosystem. What I was thinking, I'd really like some advice on this, is I got like a silt trap. I didn't like it because it ended up going back that deep. It was just, and bearing in mind I've got to run 15 foot this way and then I've got to turn the corner and run 40 foot down the garden. So by the time I get down to the end of the garden, I'm going to be like that deep before I even hit me me trays, you know what I mean, that I'll be putting in there for me soak away. So I just don't fancy that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put like a gully trap in here. So what will happen, my eco drain will come in, it'll go into the gully trap, it'll have two entrances in and out, and I'm figuring it's going to trap all the silt and stuff in that. It's only like 30 quid, it's half the distance as in depth, half the price. But what I wanted to get is like a gully trap that you've got like one set higher and one set lower, so as the water comes in it drops in. But the ones I'm finding are all equal. The gully's there and it comes in and goes out at the same distance, so I'm just going to have to make that work unless I come across one that I like, I find. And then obviously I've got to put the top in, so I need like an adjustable one, because obviously the chances of that fitting, well, it's not going to fit perfectly, so I've just got to figure it all out. I've just got to make it work. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a gully trap here. It runs down here ever so slightly, like the water does run down. I've made sure that this runs down, but I just didn't want to take the chance because I've got quite a big side, and if it was pissing down the rain, there's a danger of it running into the garage doors. I just don't want to take the chance, so I've decided to bite the bullet, do a bit extra work, do it this way. Neighbours probably think I'm nuts talking to myself. Hey? But yeah, still got a lot of work to do. I'll get there. Right, as you can see, I'm taking out this is like haunching. This is what you call haunching. I've got to take this back out This is going to be a nightmare. An absolute nightmare.